How to install N8N on VPS. First, go to Hostinger. Click on VPS Hosting. Then choose the plan. Now, after that, click on Create. Click on Server. Then go to Settings. Then click on Install here. After install, click on Application. Click on Create. Enter application name. Choose Primary Domain. Then choose Method. Select N8N here. So let's go ahead and create the application. Then copy this link and go to browser and paste it. Then enter email, first name, last name, password. Then click Next. Click on Get Started. That's it. Thanks for watching.